Surah Al-Waqiyah, the imminent event. The surah is Makkan, containing 3 sections and 96 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
إذا وقعت الواقعة
When the imminent event will occur,
ليس لوقعتها كاذبة
there will be no scope for denial of its occurrence.
خافضة رافعة
Lowering some, elevating others.
إذا رجت الأرض رجا
When the earth will be shaken vigorously,
وبست الجبال بسا
and the mountains will be completely crushed into dust,
فكانت هباء منبثا
so they will become like scattered particles in the air.
وكنتم أزواجا ثلاثة
And you will become 3 groups.
فأصحاب الميمنة ما أصحاب الميمنة
So the people of the right, how excellent are the people of the right.
وأصحاب المشأمة ما أصحاب المشأمة
And the people of the left, how wretched are the people of the left.
والسابقون السابقون
And those who surpass are simply those who surpass.
أولئك المقربون
They are those who are granted nearness
في جنات النعيم
in the gardens of bounties.
ثلة من الأولين
A multitude from the earlier generations,
وقليل من الآخرين
and few from the later generations,
على سرر موضونة
upon studded thrones,
متكئين عليها متقابلين
reclining upon them facing one another.
يطوف عليهم ولدان مخلدون
Immortal youth will move around them
بأكواب وأباريق وكأس من معين
with cups and pitchers and glasses filled from wine that flows before their eyes.
لا يصدعون عنها ولا ينزفون
They will not suffer from a headache due to it, and they will not lose their senses.
وفاكهة مما يتخيرون
And fruits from whatever they will choose.
ولحم طير مما يشتهون
And the meat of birds from whatever they will desire.
وحور عين
And fair maidens with large beautiful eyes,
كأمثال اللؤلؤ المكنون
like concealed pearls,
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون
recompense for what they used to do.
لا يسمعون فيها لغوا ولا تأثيما
They will not hear any futile speech therein, and no sinful dialogue,
إلا قيلا سلاما سلاما
except the greeting of salam, salam.
وأصحاب اليمين ما أصحاب اليمين
And the people of the right, how excellent are the people of the right.
في سدر مخضود
Among thornless lote trees,
وطلح منضود
and clusters of heavy-laden banana trees,
وظل ممدود
and everlasting shade,
وماء مسكوب
and ever-flowing water,
وفاكهة كثيرة
and many fruits,
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة
never-ending nor prohibited,
وفرش مرفوعة
and elevated cushions.
إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء
Indeed, we have created them heavenly women in a special way,
فجعلناهن أبكارا
so we made them virgins,
عربا أترابا
affectionate, of equal age,
لأصحاب اليمين
for the people of the right,
ثلة من الأولين
a multitude from the earlier generations,
وثلة من الآخرين
and a multitude from the later generations.
وأصحاب الشمال ما أصحاب الشمال
And the people of the left, how wretched are the people of the left,
في سموم وحميم
in scorching winds and boiling water,
وظل من يحموم
and in the shadow of intensely black smoke,
لا بارد ولا كريم
neither cool nor comfortable.
إنهم كانوا قبل ذلك مترفين
Indeed, they were affluent before this,
وكانوا يصرون على الحنث العظيم
persevering with the major sin,
وكانوا يقولون أإذا متنا وكنا ترابا وعظاما أإنا لمبعوثون
and they used to say, when we have died and become dust and bones, will we then be resurrected?
أو آباؤنا الأولون
And our forefathers too?
قل إن الأولين والآخرين
Say, indeed, the earlier and later generations
لمجموعون إلى ميقات يوم معلوم
will certainly be gathered at an appointed time on a known day.
ثم إنكم أيها الضالون المكذبون
Then indeed you, O misguided people, deniers,
لآكلون من شجر من زقوم
you will eat from the tree of Zakkum,
فمالئون منها البطون
so you will fill your bellies with it,
فشاربون عليه من الحميم
then on top of that you will drink boiling water,
فشاربون شرب الهيم
so you will drink like thirsty camels.
هذا نزلهم يوم الدين
This is their hospitality on the day of judgment.
نحن خلقناكم فلولا تصدقون
We have created you, so why do you not accept the truth?
أفرأيتم ما تمنون
So do reveal that seminal fluid which you discharge.
أأنتم تخلقونه أم نحن الخالقون
So do you give it, i.e., human form, or do we create it?
نحن قدرنا بينكم الموت وما نحن بمسبوقين
We have decreed death among you, and we are not prevented
على أن نبدل أمثالكم وننشئكم فيما لا تعلمون
from this that we replace you with others like you, and we make you into that which you do not know.
ولقد علمتم النشأة الأولى فلولا تذكرون
And you have certainly come to know of the first creation, so why do you not attain advice?
أفرأيتم ما تحرثون
So do reveal whatever you sow.
أأنتم تزرعونه أم نحن الزارعون
Do you make it grow, or do we cause it to grow?
لو نشاء لجعلناه حطاما فظلتم تفكهون
Had we willed, we would certainly have turned it into fragments of straw. Then you would remain speculating.
إنا لمغرمون
We have incurred a penalty.
بل نحن محرومون
Rather, we are deprived.
أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون
So do reveal the water you drink.
أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون
Did you send it down from the clouds, or do we send it down?
لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون
Had we willed, we would have made it unbearably salty. So why do you not show gratitude?
أفرأيتم النار التي تورون
So do reveal the fire which you kindle.
أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون
Did you create its tree, or do we create?
نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين
We made it a reminder and a benefit for the travelers of the wilderness.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم
So, dear beloved Prophet, glorify with the name of your Lord the Supreme.
فلا أقسم بمواقع النجوم
So I swear by the setting places of the stars.
وإنه لقسم لو تعلمون عظيم
And this is certainly a great oath if you understand.
إنه لقرآن كريم
Indeed, this is the glorious Quran.
في كتاب مكنون
In a concealed book.
لا يمسه إلا المطهرون
None touch it except the pure.
تنزيل من رب العالمين
A revelation from the Lord of all the worlds.
أفبهذا الحديث أنتم مدهنون
So are you trivializing this matter?
وتجعلون رزقكم أنكم تكذبون.
And you make your share this that you deny?
فلولا إذا بلغت الحلقوم.
Then why not, when it, i.e., the soul reaches the throat,
وأنتم حينئذ تنظرون.
while you will be watching,
ونحن أقرب إليه منكم ولكن لا تبصرون.
and we are closer to him than you, but you do not see.
فلولا إن كنتم غير مدينين.
If you will not be recompensed, why do you not
ترجعونها إن كنتم صادقين.
return it, the soul, if you are truthful?
فأما إن كان من المقربين.
So if he is among those who are granted nearness,
فروح وريحان وجنة نعيم.
then there is comfort and fragrant flowers in a garden of bounties.
وأما إن كان من أصحاب اليمين.
And if he is from the people of the right,
فسلام لك من أصحاب اليمين.
then, dear beloved Prophet, salam for you from the people of the right.
وأما إن كان من المكذبين الضالين.
And if he is among the deniers, the misguided people,
فنزل من حميم.
then the hospitality of boiling water,
وتصلية جحيم.
and being cast into the blazing fire.
إن هذا لهو حق اليقين.
Indeed, this is an absolute certainty.
فسبح باسم ربك العظيم.
So, O beloved Prophet, glorify with the name of your Lord the Supreme.